James Wessel. I'm the president of Brindlee Mountain Fire Apparatus. So our mission here at Brindlee Mountain Fire Apparatus is to be excellent in every aspect of buying, selling, and fixing used fire trucks. What that means to me, it means that every little detail, every component of running a business, interacting with customers, from responding to emails to how we process things in accounting, how we invoice, every aspect of it, we want to be excellent and pay attention to each of those details. It's an amazing group of people to work with. I love fire trucks. I love firefighters. I love fire departments. I love the industry. It's a really surreal but wonderful way to serve your neighbor during their times of need. So Accounting Seed has impacted the overall success of our business in many ways. Primarily, I would say the most informed decisions are often the best decisions, and we have more information available to us financially than we've ever had before, and I think that drives better decision making for us as a management team. It's allowed a lot of efficiency and more transparency into the accounting side of our business. I like to be able to see what's happening, to understand the flow of our finances, whether it's the financial statements or whether it's just the daily accounts receivables and payables. And Accounting Seed has been able to do everything that we needed to do as a business, for me as a business owner, to see what I need to see.
The largest single struggle that we've had as a business is managing our information as the business grew. We were nervous about investing much in our business infrastructure early on when it comes to information management. We ended up with 4 or 5 different software platforms and like 1,000 Excel sheets that we were running the business out of when we were 10 or 11 years old. We were duplicating data in a significant way by basically paying a lot of people to type the same information into multiple systems multiple times. Accounting Seed worked with Salesforce to get their app as an option on the Salesforce platform. That gave us a great opportunity to commit to this ERP project without the upfront cost that we otherwise would have had.
So if we didn't have everything on one platform, it would be really challenging for us to grow. The most valuable role that we find with Accounting Seed is being able to have a 30,000 foot view of all of the aspects of the company, the revenue, the gross profit, being able to see how each department performs and is performing, and then also being able to have the ability to click through a report or a dashboard that gets us down to the granular side of what the GL account back office looks like. How is a transaction flowing? How are those things occurring to make sure there's no errors?
I've gone from reading 3-month-old financial statements several years ago to getting financial statements 2 or 3 days after the end of the month and already knowing what's going to be in there. So to know that, to have that, is making my life easier.